In this guide, we'll walk you through 4 effective methods to delete audiobooks from iPhone. Part 1. How to remove audiobooks from iPhone via Apple Books. If you downloaded your audiobooks directly from Apple Books, you can easily remove them from the app itself. This is one of the most straightforward ways to manage your downloaded titles and instantly free up space. Step 1. Open the Apple Books app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap Library at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Find the audiobook you want to delete. Step 4. Long press the audiobook cover or tap Edit in the upper right corner. Step 5. Tap the trash icon and then choose the Remove Download option. Part 2. How to delete audiobooks from iPhone using Audible. Many users prefer to listen to audiobooks through the Audible app. If your audiobook is from Audible, you can directly delete the downloaded content within the app to free up space on your device. Step 1. Launch the Audible app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap My Library at the bottom to see all your titles. Step 3. Locate the audiobook you wish to delete. Step 4. Swipe left on the title and select Delete from Device. Part 3. How to erase audiobooks from iPhone using iTunes. If you've synced audiobooks to your iPhone via iTunes, you can use your computer to remove them. This is ideal for users who prefer managing their entire audiobook collection from one place. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Open iTunes and click the device icon in the top left corner. Step 3. Select audiobooks from the left-hand sidebar. Step 4. Uncheck the titles you want to remove from your iPhone. Step 5. Click Sync or Apply at the bottom right to apply the changes. Step 6. Once the sync is complete, the audiobooks will be deleted from your iPhone. Part 4. How to remove audiobooks from iPhone permanently. If you want to permanently delete audiobooks and ensure they cannot be restored, it's recommended to use a professional tool like Coolmuster, iOS Eraser. This powerful iPhone erasure tool can completely wipe all data from your iPhone, making it ideal for users preparing to sell or transfer their device. Step 1. Connect your iDevice to the computer using a USB cable. The software will automatically detect your device, and once connected, the main interface will display, ready for the erasure process. Step 2. Click the Erase button. Select your desired security level low, medium, or high, and confirm by clicking OK. Step 3. When prompted, type Delete to confirm, then click Erase again. A final confirmation message will appear. Click OK to proceed with permanently deleting your data. Step 4. Once the process is complete, all data on your device will be permanently erased and unrecoverable. You can now set up your iDevice as new.